Hey Smart I'm Mab Smart and welcome to Smart Beauty City. Whether you're a long-time follower or a new follower, I am so excited that you're here. Before we dive in, I've got a little story to share, one that's brought us all here today. So stick around, I've got some exciting news and updates you won't want to miss. As some of you already know, I've been off YouTube for a while. There were some personal things I needed to take care of, and I also ran into some issues with my old channel monetization. It was tough, and honestly, I got pretty discouraged. But guess what? We're back, and I'm excited to go on this new journey with you. So, what can you expect from this channel? Well, we're going all in on beauty. From honest product reviews to DIY skincare recipes, latest trends, and my favorite routines. No matter your skin type or where you are on your beauty journey, there's something here for you. My goal is to create a positive, inclusive space where we can all learn, share, grow, and glow together. I love hearing from you, so please comment with your questions, suggestions, and beauty stories. I want to hear them all. Your input shapes this community, and I cannot wait to see what we create together. So, if you were subscribed to my old channel, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe here too. That's where you won't miss out on any new content. And if you're new here, please click that subscribe button so that you can join our growing beauty community. And here's the exciting part. I've got some awesome giveaways and exclusive content lined up just for you. So make sure you stay tuned and keep an eye out for all the surprises coming your way. Thank you so much for being here and for your continued support. And honestly, I cannot wait to share this new journey with you all. Remember, your beauty routine is a form of self-care, so let's make it fun and effective together. See you in my next video. Bye.